Hi, this is Vibrant Scrappy Mania. In an earlier video, I showed you how I created this doll using the small die of the month of October 2019. And these are the dolls that I made using that kit, that die kit. So I want to go ahead and create my card. So I also have a new glimmer plates. Let me bring it over here. I just got it at Amazon. I'll put the link to it on Amazon. It was actually cheaper on Amazon than it was on Spellbinder. So I did get this Jana Sakura. It is the diamond floral frame. I really like how this for my background. So it was $18 plus some change at Amazon. It was $26, I think it was on Spellbinder. It was a lot more. Plus I get free shipping, so I went ahead and got it at Amazon. And look, it creates a beautiful diamond. It actually comes with the glimmer plates to make the diamond and the dies, two different sets of dies to cut out that diamond out. Okay, so I went ahead and did that. And I went ahead and cut a bunch of these paper. I got 12 by 12 papers where I went ahead and cut them all to a smaller size for my cards. I'm using Recollection card base. So as you can see, this one says hello. And if you see these packs at Michael's, I bought them years back and they were like $5 or $6, and this one's actually 60 sets, so you get 60 envelopes and 60 cards. You even when you get something like it says celebrate, don't shy away from these, because you can cut a bunch of layers like I have here and just lay it on top, and then you just build upon it. So you have a nice card base, very economical, perfect for when you want to make cards with friends, or you know, you have a card event, or even for selling. Very economical. So even though it says hello, because I do have a layer that I cut down in order to fit the frame, look how pretty that looks. And then I'm going to put this here. I got my season greetings. This is from an old stamp, but you can use any kind of sentiments that you want. And I'm going to place that there. Now it looks still a little plain, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to emboss this with an old embossing folder from Sizzix. Don't know the name of this, but it has, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like little doves, and it looks very Christmassy. So I'm going to go ahead and run it through my die cutter machine, and I shall be back. So I went ahead and ran it. So this is the emboss side, is the raised side, and this is the deboss side. See how it's debossed, and this is raised. So I think I'm going to use the raised side. And I need to cut it a little more, this one. Perfect. It's right there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put some adhesive on the back of this. And actually, I didn't cut it the greatest, so I'm going to use this one. This one I made sure I cut it exactly to fit the square. And it actually doesn't really fit the square. I'll just use this one. Okay. So I'm going to use some liquid adhesive. And this is art glitter glue that I put in this bottle. And it's because it has a nice fine tip. It's perfect for when I'm doing these little figurines and when I'm gluing little items down because of the fine tip. And I like using glue versus stick glue or anything else because it gets in the crevices of my embossing folder, and I feel like it has a better adhesion. So there's that first layer. I'm going to put this towards the side a little like so. Again, I'm going to put some liquid adhesive. Gotta be careful not to ink it. So that's why I have these pads. So when I have been doing a lot of work, I like to use this so that way I don't transfer dirt and ink to my projects. I'm going to go ahead and place her here. And I think I'm going to give it a little dimension to my doll. And I have some of this dimensional adhesive. And I like cutting these. If I can find my scissors somewhere in here. Because then I can really need to put some on the neck area. And that's a little too wide. And then I'm going to put a little bit down here. And let's see if I can see it. I guess I can see a little bit. Okay, oops. This lost a little bit of stickiness. Oops. So that way it stays put. Okay. And actually, I don't like didn't like that you can see it through her neck. Okay. Then this one, we're going to have to put some adhesive, or some foam adhesive on here. And then we cut some more. Actually, we don't need that one there. Put it on here. Because we're just going to put some glue on there. And we'll put some glue on this side. So that one sticks here. And then this one will stick underneath. Put some glue here. And there is my card. I do like it more with that texture background. So I hope you like this video and I've inspired you to make some cards for Christmas. Thank you for watching. Bye now.